Alright, this is 7-1 confidence interval using the calculator or just the practical side of what we're going to do to get confidence intervals. Alright, so if I ask the question, find the confidence interval abbreviated C dot I when x is equal to 30, n is equal to 60 for sigma equaling 5. Now, real quick check. What's our sample size? 60. Yay! Do we have sigma? Yay! Alright. And because we have a sigma, and we have a large enough sample size, pretty much we know that what we're going to do is use a z-interval. Alright? Now, we could plug the information into the formula, x bar plus or minus z alpha over 2 times sigma divided by the square root of n. And remember that if I want to get the z alpha level over 2, that would just be inverse norm of whatever your alpha level is, divided by 2, comma 0, comma 1. Now, I forgot to put the confidence level in the equation, so let's say that we want to be 95% confident. Alright, so I'm just going to use the calculator to do this, and if I did it by hand, I'd get the same value. Here we go. On the calculator, turn it on. I'm going to press stat. I'm going to go over to tests, and I'm going to go down here to z interval. 7-2, we're going to be doing a t interval, but for 7-1, it's going to be a z interval, and that's because we have a known sigma. Additionally, the sample size is bigger than 30, or we have a known sigma, and the sample size is less than 30, but we additionally get the fact that it comes from a normal distribution. For this one, we had sigma, and the sample size is bigger than 30. So z interval, hit enter. And now it's going to prompt us first off for data, because sometimes they give you data and you just run it through the machine. Other times they ask for the statistics, where, like on this one, you had the nitty-gritty. So we're going to use statistics. Alright. Our standard deviation was 5. Our x bar was 30. Our sample size was 60. Now, our confidence level is a 95% confidence level, so 0.95. Now, notice they didn't ask about the alpha. Just be aware that the alpha and the confidence level are complements of each other. They have to add up to 1. Alright, I'm going to go to calculate, and here I go. There's the information. 28.735 to 31.265. Now, it's very important when you answer these questions you use sentences, although that's not what the computer is going to ask you very often. But I would answer this. We are 95% confident that the true mean of the population lies between 28.735 and 31.265.